Yeah, do it over here. The lighting's way better.
This is a great spot.
1, 2.
The thing is, it floats to the top, so it's gonna be the last thing that it hits.
Okay, 1, 2.
Matt, you got it.
Come on, Matt. You can do it, buddy.
You might need to chew it.
I thought he was gonna take it.
I'm not chewing
It's a
it.
little crunchy.
I'm not chewing it.
And then you're going to the boat.
You're pretty much Bear Grylls right now.
What
Just
are you
do
What
this.
do you feel right now?
What are you getting if you eat it? That's
Is he racing? Is he gonna have a heart attack?
Hey,
We can hope.
Go.
hey, you are prone to heart attacks.
1, 2,
Oh, it's disintegrating.
3. Hurry.
And hurry.
Do it.
To be Lebanese, your people have eaten way worse than this.
Oh.
The video is already way too long. Take it.
Yeah, I had to stop my video and start a new one. That way we can cut to the chase.
Let's go.
Go, Matt. You can do it, buddy.
You're ruining it for me!
Wait. Alright, now It's go. just a bug.
You said you've eaten a locust before. You said
Hey,
you.
come on, dude. It's just a little guy.
Go.
It's like a big pill.
Don't even look at it.
I can't not look at it.
Close your eyes. Just go.
God. Biggest cock tease ever.
Relax and grow, dude.
Megan, will you go somewhere? You're making this so difficult.
Can I stand over here?
No, I don't know what I want you to do.
Should I get my camera out?
No, we got
We
this.
got it covered. Just relax.
Do it, man.
Throw it up like Sarah. I know you are.
Wait, stop talking to me.
Don't
You
be
gotta
Sarah.
Yeah, come on.
Garbage out.
Just do it.
Yeah, pull the garbage.
Don't think about it.
Okay, hurry.
How do you not think about it?
Close your eyes and just do it, man.
Go. Just go.
Your face. Go. You got it.
You got it, man. Come on,
I
go.
keep staring at it. You got
Close
it.
your eyes.
Go.
No. No.
Hang on.
You gotta slam it, dude, like a shot.
Yeah, you gotta.
Would it be better if it was like Rumplemans?
Oh.
Do it a shot. Do it a shot.
You gotta throw it back. You gotta throw it.
Yeah, you do got
Throw it.
Yeah, dude, I got a shot.
Just swallow it. Just swallow it. You got it. You got it.
Oh, you did it. You did it. You got it. Matt.
Nothing.
There's no bug left in that.
Good job. Good job, Matt.